Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of grid computing in DataStage. Think of it like a superhero team, each node working together for faster processing. It's all about efficiency, scalability, and making sure your data flows smoothly. By the end of this, you'll see why grid computing is a game changer. Buckle up. Hi, everyone. I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Grid computing is like a potluck dinner. Everyone brings something to the table. Each node contributes resources, making processing faster and more efficient. Instead of relying on one system, tasks are spread out. This means better performance and scalability. So rather than stressing one computer, we let many handle the workload. Why should we love grid computing? Well, it's like upgrading from a bicycle to a race car: speed, efficiency, and adaptability. It makes sure no single system is overwhelmed, improves fault tolerance, and allows for easy scaling. So whether you're handling small or large datasets, grid computing is your best friend. DataStage makes grid computing work like a well-orchestrated symphony. Instead of overloading one server, it spreads processing tasks across nodes, balancing workloads efficiently. This leads to faster ETL processes and improved performance. No more waiting for a single system to struggle, it's teamwork at its finest. Deploying a grid system is like setting up a high-performance relay team. First, we map out the track, planning resources wisely. Then we get our runners ready, installation and configuration. Next comes teamwork, integrating with existing systems so everything runs smoothly. And finally, we ensure they keep pace, performance monitoring to fine-tune and optimize the setup. A well-deployed grid is a powerhouse. Grid computing is fantastic, but let's talk hurdles. Managing the infrastructure. That's like juggling flaming torches, complex yet rewarding. Security. We need fortress-like defenses for data privacy. Compatibility issues. Like making cats and dogs get along, tricky but doable. And let's not forget the internet. Grid computing thrives on network reliability. Overcoming these challenges turns the grid into a true powerhouse. Security in grid computing is like guarding a vault. We start by ensuring only the right people have access. Authentication is key. Then we lock the valuables. Data encryption protects sensitive information. But what if someone tries to break in? Threat detection kicks in, responding fast. And finally, we follow the rulebook. Compliance ensures safety across the board. A secure grid means a worry-free computing experience. Grid computing vs traditional computing, let's compare. Grid is like a buffet, scalable, flexible, and efficient. A traditional computing, more like a set menu, fixed resources, less adaptability. Performance-wise, the grid shines with distributed power. And when it comes to industry applications, grid computing proves versatile across domains. The winner. Well, for large-scale operations, the grid takes the crown. Grid computing isn't just theory, it's powering real-world applications. Scientists use it for simulations, cracking complex problems like DNA sequencing in healthcare. Financial experts rely on it for risk analysis, and meteorologists harness it for climate forecasting. From curing diseases to predicting hurricanes, grid computing is the backbone of innovation. The future of grid computing looks bright. AI and machine learning will supercharge grid operations. Hybrid models will blend cloud and grid for seamless computing. Security. Expect smarter defenses and tighter privacy measures. And decentralized computing. That's the future. Grid computing will power even more industries with dynamic innovations. Grid computing is here to stay. It transforms data processing, making it lightning fast and efficient. Scalability ensures businesses run smoothly without hitting resource limits. Cost-effective. Absolutely, organizations save big while optimizing operations. And as technology advances, grid computing is the key to staying ahead. In short, it's the powerhouse behind modern computing. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.